Hey everyone, hey, this is the Ela series. We're gonna, yeah. Hold on, this about to be heat. Hold on, this might be fire. Why is the bottom of this? Here's X-Man. Oh, we're gonna make this a bell. Or maybe not. I'm making a new sound. Watch. No, y'all don't know yet. Y'all don't know yet. But hold on, we gonna put fastness on this? Set that distorted. Never mind. We're not gonna put fastness on this. But we're gonna make this a bit. me out. We're gonna have a distorted bell. Hear me out, hear me out. We'll put a factor on this. Watch. Put this on lo-fi. I do this a lot. It's got like a scary noise. Then we're gonna put goddamn fastness on this. Turn this down. This is too like much of a harsh sound already. We need it to be like a soft sound. What is it? It's too quiet of a sound, I feel like. Need like a more harsh sound than that. Yep. It's perfect. Perfect. Hear me out, hear me out. We're gonna add this I don't know if I like this or not, I'm not gonna lie. Let's try a more simple thing, like a string. Let's try a string. Let's get those like beautiful strings in. It doesn't fit with the rest of the sounds though. It's gotta be more like abrasive. I feel. It's gotta. Let's try a hit, orchestral hit or something. Chinese hit. Okay. We just need a sound like that, you know? Like maybe not like a. Hold on. Yeah, exactly like this. It's gonna be like sort of like a bass, I guess. Reverb on that. It was cathedral. Then chorus, flanger, hypercourse again, and we're gonna put destructor on it just for that like that fuzzy sound. Perfect. Ooh, wait, that's really good. It's so looking bass. I'm gonna add a drum loop because I don't like to make drums. China type menu. Okay, that's just race. Is that right? No, that's not race. We need a drum loop. A loop. The loop. We're gonna do the. Let's do R&B. Yeah. That might be. That might not fit. We're gonna put Big Crush on this though. Do I have Big Crush on this? Yeah, I do. I'll put another Big Crush on this. I'm gonna put a fastest. It's right down. I like it. I like that a lot. Move on it. Look at the surge, come on. I gotta get a bass here. No 808, we're gonna do a bass instead. Come on, let's try that. New sound. This bass. Sounds good. We're gonna take the root notes of the chord. Just put it in, and then let's make edits to it. So like, do. It's gonna be more mid end, I feel it. This is more like a mid-low. I don't like this bass that much actually. I'm gonna do like A slap bass. I like that. Let's do a clavinet. People don't use clavinets because they sound funny, and I also think they sound funny. So I want to use a clavinet. I think I'll put this on this actually too. And reverb. I feel like the bass needs to be a bit more quiet, but that's fine. Okay, we're gonna start. I don't like too long of intros. This is gonna be only for the chorus, actually. Boom. We're done. We're done. The beats.